All right, who does not love a pink Christmas nail? So, oh, I do not remember this buttercream. Oh my god, I'm starting off great with this tutorial. So I'm taking a pink buttercream. Oh my. I'll see if I can remember what it is. I can't promise you. But maybe after my little man is here and I'm home, and if I totally forget, I can I'll put it in the description if I completely forget. So again, taking this buttercream all over the nail, curing, coming in with a second coat. Really, sometimes you don't need a second coat. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just like years of doing nails that I'm just a second coat person, but I am. I always do 2 coats, even if you don't need it. So I'm going to take one step here and put a little glob. Probably got too much, but I wanted enough to surround the crystals. And that's, again, if you were doing it on your nails, you would absolutely want to surround them. And I kind of push them in. And there's kind of 2 ways to do this. I push it in. Sorry, it's not in focus. And then fan out the gel. You could kind of fan out the gel a little bit more than I did and then put your crystals in, but I kind of wanted that ledge around that crystal, so you can kind of see me moving them around to get that little bit of a ledge, even though I will add the ledge with the top coat. But it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of how I do it, and my crystals stay in pretty good when I do them. So now I'm just fanning out that edge, and you won't see that at all. So that's kind of why I do that, just to give myself an edge around the crystals without having to worry about them coming off. So now we are going to do the holly part, because I love the berries. So literally it's like it's probably like a side Christmas tree. So you kind of come out in a V or a triangle, swoop back in and come back out, and then you come to a point. So I will go ahead and let you watch this. Now that that's fully cured, I'm going to add some gold, fluffy, kind of sporadic things throughout to kind of add a little extra something. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I thought would be really cute to add and just give it a little extra something versus just leaving it like this. You could have taken a darker color or like even the gold and kind of outline the holly a little bit. I don't know. I just thought these kind of lines would be really pretty. So I will do the lines and I'll be back. Now that we are top coating, again, you don't want to go over those crystals, but you can see here we are about to lose that quote unquote little edge if it was there. So I butt up to my crystals just to get a little bit on there, like very, very little. Of course, it's not in focus. And then I give this bad boy a full cure. And then we do the reveal because I love this nail so much. It's probably one of my favorites from like my little series I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.